Hello, children. Good morning. Welcome in today's science class. Children, today we will continue the lesson Safety at Home. In our previous class, we have learned that what safety rule we should follow at home. Today we will discuss about the safety rules in school. What safety rule we should follow in school and in playground. Children, being safe is very, very important. And how we can be safe? If we will follow the certain safety rules. Okay? Children, I am going to share the book pages. We will talk about something. In this lesson, children, it is very, very important to learn. Whatever I am teaching you, you learn and follow it in your daily life. This is not the thing to write and learn. लिख के क्वेश्चन याद करने वाला lesson नहीं है. This is the lesson about the life skills. You must follow these things. Whatever safety rule हम लोग बताते हैं, you read in this lesson, we discuss about that. You should follow and you should tell your friends also to follow that. If anyone is smaller than you should tell them. And what is safety rules at school? We will discuss about the safety rules at school. There are certain rules. Do not stand or jump on chairs and tables in the classroom. You should not do such type of behavior. You should never jump. You may fall, you get hurt, you can break your bone. No? It happens also ना, sometime it happens also ना. You have seen in class कुछ बच्चे जो बहुत शैतान होते हैं, they used to, when teacher is not not entered in the class, they started doing like this, and what will the result? They will get hurt. So we should learn these things, we should follow these things. Do not stand or jump on chairs and tables in the classroom. And another thing is, be careful not to spill food and water in the classroom. You must maintain the neatness and cleanness of the school. आपको यहाँ वह स्कूल में कोई edible things या water spill नहीं करना चाहिए. Any other boy or girl, your classmate, can trip over that and can fall and get hurt. No? So you should not do this. Do not use blades or knives to sharpen pencils. Use sharpeners. You should use only and only sharpeners. And never sharp the pencil too much. Some people used to play with that sharpened pencils. No, you should not do. You can harm to others. You can harm in your eyes to others. Okay? So take care about that. Walk in a line. You are moving for your library classes, for your music classes, for your activities, for making project, for seeing the DZ lab or anything. Always be in a line. Do not push others to go ahead of them. Don't try to come in forward कि push किया और forward आगे आ गए. No, dear, you should not do these things. You may get hurt. To others, if a boy is not ready and you will ask him to say anything, ask him to do, how can he will do? So you should take care for that. And do not run or play on the stairs and on corridors. Be very, very careful on stairs. Never run on the stairs. Never push anyone on the stairs, because if you will fall on the stairs, you can get a serious injury. You have understood, children? This, you promise that such type of things you will never do in the class. I hope you all are very good children. Okay, children? I want to talk to you again, children. Whatever rules just now I have told you, the safety rules in the school, I hope you all will follow. You promise me that you will follow these things? Okay? Next, let's read another thing of the same chapter. Yes, many of you are coming from by bus also. Walk in a line to get into the bus. At the leaving time, you don't push anyone. Take your time and be in line and follow the safety rules. And another safety rules in schools, We should follow some safety rules to avoid injuries in the classroom. What you should not do? Do not play inside the classroom and do not throw things at others. Never do. Do not fight with your classmates. You should not do like this. Do not hit or push them. They can get injured. Do not use sharp objects like blades, sharpener, and sharpen your pencil with only eraser. Use pencil sharpeners. Do not climb on desks and chairs. Do not jump from one desk to another. Do not run or push other while climbing. Go up or down the stair. These type of things you should not do. The picture here is a red cross. Na cross means you should not do these things in the class. Stand in a queue. Do not push one another while getting into the down for a school bus. Children, and the another safety rules: do not run around the classroom. Do not try to climb on desk and chair. You may fall down. You can see in this picture, na, this boy can fall. The boy is pushing to him and he may fall and he can get hurt by the corner of this teacher's table. So don't do this. Do not play with pointed objects. Do not eat food in a hurry. आप क्लासरूम में क्या होता है, क्लास में कभी खेलने के लिए you have to go for play in interval. What you do, you eat in a hurry and without chewing. Do not do this. Do not spill water or throw waste on the floor. Somebody might slip. देखो इस बच्ची ने क्या किया? What she has done? She has put water को इसने यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा पानी गिराया. And the next his classmate क्या हो गया? Strip करके गिर गया. So you should take care for these things. Okay, do not spill water, throw waste on the floor. Somebody might slip and get hurt. In some schools, there were swimming pools also. Don't go in swimming pools alone. Always go with elder person or your trainer. Don't go alone. It is very, very important to learn swimming. You must know learn swimming. Swimming सीखना चाहिए, but you must take care that elder person should be. Don't go alone. This is the very important safety rule. Huh? And another, you all go to play on the playground. Sometimes you go to school and in your park, nearby your houses. Children, be very, very careful. Wait for your turn on swings and seesaw. When you go to play in parks, there are many this type of swings and seesaw. You should take care. You wait for your turn. Do not stand in front of moving swing. ऐसा जो swing आ रहा है इसके सामने में कभी नहीं खड़ा होना चाहिए. Because if it will get speed, it will hurt you. Do not hit or push anyone while playing. किसी को भी hit या push नहीं करना चाहिए. Learn and follow the rules of game you play. Whatever game you are playing, you must follow the rule of that games. Okay, to avoid any type of argument between you. Do not stand in front of the moving swing. Wait for your turn or play on the seesaw. Follow the rules of the games you play. These are the small things, children, but you should follow for being safe. Do not push another while playing. Such type, if the boy is playing football and this another, his friend is pushing him. He is in hurry. His body is in movement. And if he will push him, definitely he will fall and get hurt. So do not do these things. Do not throw stones each other or at stray animals. Some of you do this. No, beta, love your pets. Love the street animals also. You feed them. Don't do such type of behavior. Okay? You are a good child. Na? आप सब अच्छे बच्चे हो. Do not play in the wet field. Sometimes it rains and the field become wet. You may fall down and get injured. कभी भी गीले फील्ड में जाके आपको play नहीं करना चाहिए. And every time you must follow the rules. Wait for your turn for swings and seesaw. And another thing, we should follow the safety rule to avoid the injury in the playground. Always wait for your turn on your swings. Do not stand. Okay? In front of the swing में आपको कभी नहीं खड़ा रहना चाहिए. It might hit you. इससे आपको चोट लग सकती है ना, you might get hurt. Do not push or pull one another while climbing on the slides. Do not fight while playing. Let's do the exercise of the book. It is on page number 83. Where it is? Page number 83. You have to write true or false. What you have to write? True or false. आपको यहाँ पे लिखना होगा. You all are ready? Just read the sentence and then safety rules should be follow at home only. क्या सिर्फ घर पे ही सेफ्टी रूल फॉलो करना चाहिए? Or you should follow at a school, on road, everywhere. Safety. Read the sentence again. Safety rules should be follow at home only. This is the false. You should follow everywhere. Huh? Come to the second sentence. Do not play with sharp objects such as scissors. Of course, this is true. We should not play. We should not play with sharp object. Come to the third sentence. Stay away from the fire and hot object. Stay away. आग से आपको और hot गर्म चीजों से दूर रहना चाहिए. This is true or false? True. Of course, it is true. What you will write here? True. Come to the next. It is in page number 83 in your book. Huh? Play on the road. You should play on the road? No, this is false. You may get hurt. The accident can be not happen. Come to the another one. Do not walk on the footpath. क्या फुटपाथ पे वॉक नहीं करना चाहिए? Why footpath is made, beta? Footpath on the roadside, the footpath is made to walk only. Do not walk means this statement is false. Do not walk. This is false. Okay? You all will do this. I hope you all can do. With the help of pencils, you will do in your notebook with the help of pencils. You will do this exercise. Children, in the next class, we will continue the lesson of safety rules on road and about the first aid and minor, what different types of treatment should be given on the different types of accident in the case of burn or in the case of worries or in the case of animal bites. We do different types of first aid. We will discuss in detail in the next class. Okay? And we will do the book exercises as well as we will do the notebook work also from the next class. So you all be ready with your book and notebook, and whatever I have taught to you today, you learn it. Huh? Read the lesson again and again, learn and follow in your daily life. The most important thing to follow in your daily life. Okay, children, meet you soon in the next class. Bye bye, dear.